Hi, let me show you two ways how you can scan QR codes on Samsung Galaxy A36. The first one is with the help of camera. So let's open it. And now I'm just gonna take my QR code from this quick start guide. And what we are gonna do is we are gonna point the camera at this QR code and we'll see this link on which we can tap and choose to open in Notes, search web, copy and share. So let's do it again. I'm gonna just reset camera app and reopen it, point at the QR code, tap here, tap search web, and now I can find out the content of this QR code. If for some reason it is not scanning the QR code, then tap here on this quick settings button, then tap on settings icon and make sure that scan QR codes feature is turned on so the switch is blue here like in my case. And now you can easily scan QR codes. The second way is by going in quick settings. So swipe down from top right corner like that, and then swipe down again to see more features, from which you need to find and select Scan QR Code. Now we can also enable flashlight and input QR code from the gallery if you want to, or you can just immediately point the camera at the QR code and, for example, open it in Samsung Notes to see the full text of the QR code, or you can copy it, search web, and so on. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.